Hi, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to make fried bihun. Firstly, for our main ingredient, we need to boil 1 packet of mihun and sieve all the water out. Now we are going to add mixed spices which consist of mustard seeds, cumin seeds, fenugreek seeds and fennel seeds. Now we are going to add some garlic, and some onion, mix it all together. Now we are going to add some green chilli according to the spiciness. It can be added less or more. Now we are going to add dry chilli. Now we are going to add some curry leaves for the distinct pungent taste. Saute it all together. Now we are going to add some anchovies, which is not fried earlier. Now these are the fried eggs that we are going to add into our bihun later. Now we are going to add a little bit of turmeric. Now we are going to add a pinch of salt. Saute it all together. Now for the next step, we are going to add our mihun. Now we have to mix our bihun. Mix it thoroughly and evenly. Now we are going to add light soy sauce for a nice saltiness flavor. Now for the last step, we are going to add the egg that we fried earlier. Mix it together and we are done with our fried bihun today. And this is the outcome for our fried bihun today. Please like the video, subscribe to our channel and share it. Thank you for watching.